Welcome to Searching Historic Newspapers at the Brooklyn Collection. Start off on the Brooklyn Collection homepage at bklynlibrary.org/Brooklyn Collection. Click on the Resources tab for a list of the resources we make available. Under Databases, you'll see Brooklyn Newsstand. Today we'll explore this database. Brooklyn Newsstand gives access to 40 Brooklyn newspaper titles from 1835 to 1999. You can browse all of the newspapers available in this collection. These include the Brooklyn Daily Eagle, Brooklyn Life, the Canarsie Courier, and many other Brooklyn-wide and neighborhood-specific newspapers. We'll start our search by entering a keyword. I started by searching for Midwood. My search returned over 100,000 matches. That's more than I want to go through. However, I can use the date slider on the left to select specific years that I'm interested in. This result is more usable, but still too many, so I'm adding another keyword into my search box: housing. This returns a result that is more manageable. I can click on the thumbnail image to view one of my results. Notice that my keywords are highlighted on the result page. My result appears in the context of the entire page. I'm going to start my search over again. I'm entering the phrase East New York. I'd like to find articles about the neighborhood of East New York, so I put these three words in quotation marks, which means I'll find results with that exact phrase. I have over 1 million results, so this time I'm looking for things specifically from 1880. I've entered that year in the date box to narrow my results. My refined result is more manageable, but still not specific enough, so I'm going to narrow my results by newspaper. I'm looking for things specifically from the Times-Union. I'll select that from the list of newspapers and update my results. I now have a list of results that is easier for me to scroll through. I can select one of these and view the entire page. If I'd like, I can print or save this article. I'll select the portion of the page that I want, and I have the option to print or save without creating a login account. I want to save it. I can choose JPEG or PDF. My file will download with the newspaper title and date as the name of the file. Thanks for searching Brooklyn Newsstand with us.